My name is Dwight Luck, turning 72 next month. I spent 31 years in the Air Force. My wing commander when I was in the military was an avid handball player. He got me introduced to it back in 1977, and I've been with it ever since. I've done 7 marathons, numerous 5Ks, 10Ks, some halves. That is probably what really took the toll on my knees. Around 2009, it got to the point to where I could only walk about a block. So finally I went in and seen my doctor, my primary care physician at MacDill Air Force Base, and that's when he sent me to Florida Orthopaedic Institute, and that's when I met Dr. Gustke. He did the examination, x-rays, and said the only thing that's going to fix that knee is a total knee replacement. Of course, it's my first knee, and so I was a little bit nervous, but I looked at his bio, and his bio was very impressive, so I was satisfied that I had the right doctor. The surgery started, I was at the hospital about 5:30 in the morning. By 7:30, I was probably under. It was on a Tuesday. The way that Dr. Gustke did these knees, my bone structure was such that there was no cementing that had to take place. I got out of surgery, the knee was all wrapped up. By Thursday noon, I was being discharged. Friday morning, the physical therapist was at my house saying, let's get started. If we don't get no pain, we ain't doing it, he said, the right way. So 6 weeks of that, and we had to start working the extension and the flex. At 4 months, I was back on the handball court playing handball. It definitely improved my game. Even though my left knee wasn't quite there, he said I had 50% of cartilage left in the left knee, but he says, let me know when you want that one done. I went 3 years. I got to the point to where I just couldn't take it anymore. The pain was just too much, and so I got a hold of Gustke. He said, okay, let's go do it. And the only thing I was doing was legs. That's all I do, prepping them, strengthening the muscles, preparing for that surgery, and I think it really helped. And it was almost 3 years to the month that he went ahead and did the left knee. I was really pleased because when I came out of the hospital, my extension was better compared to the first one. So the recovery was much better and quicker. And the follow-up with the knees so far every year has been, he said that everything is just the way it should be. In fact, I was back on a court playing handball in 3 months with the left knee. He was a little reluctant to let me go, but he said, don't play no singles, just play doubles. I said, okay. The first time I played, it was a little bit, because you're not sure how it's going to act, because now I got a lot of movement. I got side movements going on, forward movements, back movements. As I played, each time I played, I would put a little bit more into it, play a little bit harder. There was no issues, there was no pain. I was to the point to where I really don't even pay attention to the knees. As far as I'm concerned, they're just my regular knees I had before. Florida Orthopaedic Institute, I have been 100% satisfied. The institute itself has been 100% outstanding. I can't say enough about it.